If you're experiencing billing issues with Yahoo Mail, follow these steps to resolve them efficiently. This guide will help you navigate the process and find a solution. Step 1. Log into your Yahoo account. Start by signing into your Yahoo Mail account using your username and password. Make sure you have access to the account associated with the billing issue. Step 2. Access account information. Once logged in, go to the account settings by clicking on your profile icon. From there, select Account Info to view your billing details and subscription status. Step 3. Review billing history. In the Account Information section, look for the Billing History option. Check for any discrepancies, such as incorrect charges or missed payments, that may have led to the problem. Step 4. Update payment information. If your payment method is outdated or incorrect, navigate to the Payment Methods section. Update your credit card or payment details to ensure future transactions are processed smoothly. Step 5. Contact Yahoo support. If the issue persists after reviewing your account and updating your information, reach out to Yahoo customer support. Use the Help Center to find the appropriate contact method, whether through chat, email, or phone. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any billing problems with Yahoo Mail. If you encounter further issues, don't hesitate to seek additional assistance from Yahoo support.